Hey guys, we got a new video. We're doing an open box today on the new Top Cat Classic, the Schumacher Top Cat Classic. When I found out it was being released for pre-order, of course I knew I had to get this because I never owned one back in the day, but I had friends who've had them and I'd driven them. They're just fun cars. Through the years I've always searched for them, but they've always been a lot of money. And sadly enough, with the release of these, the price are dropping off of those originals. So, but anyways, I ordered through amain. They had free shipping going on, and I think I got a $15 gift certificate. So I got it for like $240 something, free shipping. The only problem with that whole deal is I used their free shipping option, and I'm not going to lie to you, it took literally 2 weeks from the day it shipped, because they use a service called Sure Ship. It's UPS to USPS mail, then the US mail delivers it. So the Sure Post is like a horrible delay, 2 weeks literally today. So if I would have known it was going to take 2 weeks, I would have just paid the actual shipping charges on it. I've ordered in the past and I got free shipping, and it got here fast, but that was smaller items probably because they were first class. But because this went UPS, it's horrible. So I'll go ahead and start opening it here. Like I said, this is the Top Cat. This way in the top here. When you get it, it just comes in. The box is actually smaller than I thought. A lot smaller than I thought. So when you get it from amain, that's what you get. Give you a little amain catalog here with some stickers. Cool. And then the box itself, wow, it's so small compared to what I thought it would be. So there's the Top Cat Classic. Really nice printing package. I was pretty excited to get this. You can see it's got the info here. Requires 2-channel radio, no repeating, blah, blah, blah. What's cool about this kit, though, unlike new modern kits, is that it comes with wheels and tires. So that's kind of cool because you don't have to worry about that. They got these real knobby tires. But real nice packaging. I'm going to build it. It's not going to be a shelf queen. So, oh, well, that's interesting. So they probably open these up. Maybe not. I don't know. There's no seal. It does not come with a seal. That's weird, right? Mm-hmm. Usually all boxes come with seals. So that's kind of bad, because if it's missing something, that means it's missing from the from anywhere between the manufacturer and amain. So when you open it up, that's what you get. Here's the wings. You got parts bags, looks like shocks. It's a kit, so you're going to have to build it. Here's the wheels. Yeah, those are knobbies, man. That's old school right there. I haven't had any like that in a long time. There's the fronts. The fronts are wider, kind of weird, like wider than I thought. There's the front wheels, back wheels. So I'm not going to bore you with too much of the internals of the bags, because I'm not going to pull everything out of here. But you got your parts list, your bags, and gear. Gear looks like real plastic-y, like nylon. So that's pretty much it. It's all It's all going to be bagged in kits. When you open up the manual, you're going to have to read everything. And it comes with some thread lock too. Probably because, they include this aluminum chassis. So 35 weight oil and 45 weight for the front and back. Some extra tools, some Allen wrenches, some grease, bolt grease. So body. Well, the body's seems pretty durable. I don't know what thickness it is, but let's say somewhere low 20s or something maybe. And then here's all the rest of the parts under the body. Disc, bearings, arms, stuff like that. Chassis parts, more of every screws and whatnot. So, and then here's the actual chassis, which is cool. Oh, well, that's surprising. You know, I thought it was smooth. It's got like a sandblasted rough texture. Was original like that? I think the original was smooth because people had polished them. So yeah, if you look at this, I don't know if you could tell, but can you pick up that finish? It's like looks like sandpaper. It's not smooth. So if you were to sand this down and polish it, you'd have to take off a good amount to get down to that. No, I thought it was finished. It's basically a powder coat, probably. They stamp them. These are made in a stamping machine. That's how these chassis are made. So they take a beating when they're getting made, but they were CNC cut out after, just on the edges here. But they probably drill. I could tell some of the holes are off. So they drill them by hand, I would assume. Doesn't look like the holes were that center on some of them. But, you know, it's fairly light. It's cool. Excited about building it. Then you got your manual. Don't throw this one away, guys. You gotta build it. So, piece by piece. You got some Velcro, some window mask, and then it looks like there's an updated denim sheet, denim for the some change they made on the steering or something. Oh, part of the crash, front end crash setup where it breakaway sort. So, but yeah, there it is, Top Cat Classic by Schumacher, and I just wanted to get a video out there for myself and what you'd expect. People are going to start getting them soon. I ordered mine as soon as they were released for pre-order, so I was probably one of the first on the list to get it from Amain. And then that's it. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll probably end up doing some build videos. I won't do building videos, but I'll just do videos of stages, maybe of where I'm at. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.